Hey everybody, it is your boy Dr. Games, and welcome back to Spoopy's House of Jumpscares. Well, Spooky Jumpscare Mansion as it says on the title screen. Today we're gonna continue our epic mode. Oh, that's new. So we already read this note. At first, the place just seemed cute, but I've been here for days now, feeling quite parched now, and I keep getting the feeling like I'm being watched for something. Not romantic at all. Oh yeah, we're in room 50. Just to let you guys know. Alright. Okay, there we go. Now since I saved it. Inspirational. Something horrifying is going to happen. I don't trust this game at all. Ha! Didn't get me this time. Oh, this is a nice little room. I'm not gonna be like all opening doors this time. It's gonna be some puzzle, I guess. Oh, that's fun. Oh, you can't even follow. Okay. Dashing through the snow, just up to people's head, up to people today. I don't feel to go. Keep going on the way. I disagree. So I lost my cranberry. Oh my God. I lift up the kids. Why am I going so slow? That's new. Okay. Just keep following without little child. Little Johnny. What's this? Ooh. Oh my God, what the heck was that? Oh my God, please stop, please stop, please stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop! Oh my God, what the heck was that? It's after me! What the frick? It's right there! It's right there! Oh! Oh my God! What the frick? What the heck is this game? What did I get myself into? Oh no! This isn't good. Why is this doing it to me? Why is this happening to me? Come on, don't do this to me. No game, no please, no please, no, 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 no. No. Oh my God! What the frick is that? I don't get superhuman powers, it's a bear. No! Go away! No, please move. I think it's gone. I don't think it's gone. I'm freaking out so bad. Now I have that thing to work. Don't tell me this is happening still. I don't like that. No. Don't tell me I should look around for some. Not summoning another monster. That scared literally the crap out of me. Ah! I'm so good at this game. I didn't tell you. That's scared. Stop! Those things! No! This is in the middle of a conversation. Oh, I have to look around first. No, I don't. Oh my god. Just let me go home. 1,000 floors of this crap. Of that thing. The frick was that thing? Like, what the frick? How long does these levels get? I can only record up to 50 minutes. Maybe I have to end the series short. Hopefully I don't. I really like this game. I'm going to beat this game. First try or not. You thinking of it? I'm not summoning another demon right now. That scared me. I'm still trying to comprehend what the frick am I seeing? No! Oh, the spook. So you gotta stab people? This is fun. We would like to kill innocent people in the games, in video games, right? It's getting fun. So you die if you don't do that. Enter name. Doctor that blocks games. Alright, as I was saying, we'll just do like some arcade games, I guess. I'm trying to kill Pac-Man. Oh. I didn't want to win, but okay. Oh, I guess I'll summon another. Oh. That was fun. Oh, yep. And here we go. Room 100. Well, thank you all for watching. See y'all on my next video. Bye.